As you know, GLM 5.3 just launched, and right now there's a way to use it completely free inside ZCode. ZCode actually offered users 100 million free GLM 5.3 tokens for its weekend promotion, and even if you miss the full 100 million token drop, new users can still get free GLM 5.3 credits. But that's actually not the only free coding model I want to show you, because later in this video I'm also going to show you how you can use DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 and the brand new DeepSeek V4 Pro 0813 for free using another coding agent called Freebuff. So let me show you exactly how all of this works. First, if you haven't been following GLM 5.3, this is Z.ai's newest flagship model. It launched on August 14th and is specifically targeting coding and agentic workloads, competing with some of the strongest models currently available. But normally, testing a frontier model heavily can burn through API credits extremely fast. That's what makes this ZCode promotion so interesting. ZCode announced on X that eligible users could receive 100 million GLM 5.3 tokens for free during its weekend build promotion. No, paid subscription was required for the promotional allocation. Once the credits were added, you could select GLM 5.3 inside ZCode and use those tokens for coding, building websites, debugging projects, or basically anything you would normally use an AI coding agent for. And yes, 100 million tokens is an absurd amount for a free trial, but there is one important catch. Demand was apparently much higher than ZCode expected. ZCode later posted that it had temporarily paused new 100 million token grants while increasing capacity. So depending on when you're watching this, you may or may not receive the full 100 million. However, ZCode says its regular 3 million token new user benefit is still available. So even if the massive weekend allocation is paused when you sign up, you should still be able to test GLM 5.3 without paying. Here's how to check it yourself. Go to the official ZCode website at zcode.z.ai. Download ZCode for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Install it, and then sign in with your Z.ai account. If you don't have one, create an account once you're inside ZCode. Open the model settings and look for GLM 5.3. Then check your account usage or token balance. If your account qualified for the weekend promotion, you may see the larger promotional allocation. Otherwise, new users should see the standard free token benefit, and this isn't just some chatbot demo. You can give GLM 5.3 access to a project folder and have it actually build something. For example, I gave it a prompt to create a modern glass morphism landing page. GLM 5.3 generated the code directly inside the project, and within a few minutes I had a functioning page that I could open in the browser. You could use the free credits to build prototypes, websites, small apps, automate repetitive coding work, or simply test GLM 5.3 against whatever model you currently use. But now let me show you another free option, because this one might actually be even more interesting if you do a lot of coding. It's called Freebuff. Freebuff is a free AI coding agent that runs directly from your terminal, and you don't need to provide your own API key or credit card to start using it. And right now, one of the models available through Freebuff is DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731. This is the updated Flash model DeepSeek released at the end of July, and it is specifically designed to be fast while still being extremely capable with coding and agentic tasks. Freebuff gives users free access to Flash, and even users in its limited access regions can currently get up to 6 one-hour sessions per day. But it gets better. DeepSeek just released DeepSeek V4 Pro 0813 on August 13th, and Freebuff is also offering access to V4 Pro for free in its supported regions. This is DeepSeek's higher-end model, designed for more difficult agentic work, coding, tool use, and reasoning. And normally this model is not free through the API. DeepSeek's own API charges for V4 Pro usage, which is why getting access through Freebuff without paying for API tokens is actually a pretty big deal. So if you want to try it, the setup is extremely simple. Make sure you have Node installed on your computer, open your terminal, and run npm install -g freebuff. Then go into whatever project folder you want to work on and type Freebuff. That launches the coding agent directly inside your project. From there, check the available models on your account. Depending on your region and the current Freebuff model lineup, you can use DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731, and supported users can also access DeepSeek V4 Pro 0813. And the reason Freebuff can offer these models for free is interesting too. Instead of charging you a subscription, Freebuff is supported by small text ads inside the product. So you're basically trading having some ads inside your coding workflow for free access to the models. Personally, if I'm experimenting with a model or building a side project, that's a trade I can live with. And now you basically have two completely different ways of testing some of the newest AI coding models without immediately pulling out your credit card. You have GLM-5.3 inside ZCode with up to 100 million promotional tokens for qualifying accounts and the standard free credits for new users. And you have DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 and V4 Pro 0813 through Freebuff, depending on the access available in your region. And this is probably the best reason to take advantage of offers like these. Forget benchmark charts for a second. If someone gives you millions of free tokens or free access to these models, throw your actual projects at them. Give GLM 5.3, DeepSeek Flash, and DeepSeek Pro the same difficult coding task you would normally give Claude, GPT, or another coding model. Then see which one actually understands your code base, makes fewer mistakes, follows instructions better, and gets the project working. That tells you much more than staring at a benchmark ever will. Just remember, the ZCode 100 million token promotion is capacity limited and time sensitive, so I would check that one as soon as possible. Even if the full promotion is no longer available, new users can still check for the standard free GLM 5.3 credits. And if you missed that completely, you now also have Freebuff as another option for getting free access to DeepSeek's newest coding models. I'll put the official ZCode page, the original ZCode X posts, and the Freebuff website in the description. Subscribe if you want more videos on free AI models, coding tools, APIs, and ways to use the newest models without paying ridiculous amounts of money.